Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, tire pressure gauge host. Hey everyone. Welcome back to your channel name, the go-to place for all your automotive tool reviews. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for every driver out there, the tire pressure gauge. We'll explore its features, performance, and why it's a must-have in your car maintenance kit. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes a great tire pressure gauge. The one we have here is the model name. It boasts a robust build, a clear and easy-to-read dial, and it's incredibly user-friendly. What's unique about this model is its accuracy. It's designed to give you a precise reading every time, which is crucial for maintaining optimal tire pressure. Using this gauge is a breeze. Simply attach it to your tire's valve stem, and it gives you an instant reading. The swivel head is a game changer. It makes it easy to reach valve stems at any angle. Plus, the built-in air bleeder valve lets you release excess air right on the spot, ensuring your tires are at the perfect pressure. Now, how does it stack up against other models? We tested it alongside the Competitor Model 1 and Competitor Model 2. While they all perform well, the model name stands out for its durability and the clarity of its display. It's also more ergonomic, making it easier to handle during use. Maintaining the right tire pressure is not just about prolonging tire life. It's also about safety and fuel efficiency. With the model name, you can easily ensure your tires are always at their best. We've been using it for a few weeks now, and the difference in ride quality is noticeable. To wrap it up, the model name tire pressure gauge is a top-notch tool that delivers on its promises. It's accurate, durable, and user-friendly, making it an excellent investment for any car owner. Remember, keeping your tires in check is key to a safe and smooth ride, and this tool makes it easier than ever. Thanks for watching our review of the model name tire pressure gauge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more reviews. Drive safe, and see you in the next one. Feel free to adjust this script to match your style and the specific features of the tire pressure gauge you're reviewing.